Hello, and welcome to episode 2 of my Lifting Thor, my 2010 Volvo XC90 series. So part 1 was me talking about the lift kit that I got, the tires that I got, the wheels that I'm doing, the whole setup, and initial numbers. Today I'm taking it out for the last time, stock off-road. Clearly I've already had enough fun already covered in mud, but today I'm just seeing how it does. Well, I know how it does already, but I'm seeing how it does with stock ground clearance and the stock tires. I'm not gonna get much articulation, well, much more articulation after the lift kit, but I'll have a lot more clearance. But it's gonna be fun. We're at Green Ridge State Park today, and it's been pretty muddy. We've taken some different trails that I've been so far really impressed, and it's gonna be a fun day. So let's just get it on. So let's start with some current specs on my XC90. My XC90 has the 4.4 liter Yamaha V8 that makes 311 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque. My XC90 also has the 6-speed automatic with a 14:1 crawl ratio, which is somewhat in the middle of all the crossovers. With stock suspension, my XC90 has 8.9 inches of ground clearance, which again is a little bit more than a stock Crosstrek, Outback, or Forester from Subaru, but less than a 4Runner. Something that makes this really different from a 4Runner is that this has front and rear independent suspension, unlike a 4Runner or something body on frame with an actual solid rear axle. My particular XC90 still has the standard 29-inch Cooper Discover Highway tires, which are decent on the road, but off-road you can see their limitations. For the lift that I'm going with the Cross Country Performance 2-inch lift kit with the 1-inch subframe spacer lift, which should give me about 12 inches of ground clearance after I put the 31.5-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler all-terrain tires on it. Now the trails at Green Ridge are all over the place in terms of four-wheel driving. Most of the trails lead to campsites because Green Ridge is mostly a campsite, so I wouldn't really call this an actual place for off-roading. But I do plan on venturing out to Green Ridge again for my first actual camping trip so I can actually learn what I'll need on an overlanding trip that's multiple days. So today I was with my friend Tomas and his Jeep TJ. It's a 2000, which actually has a new selectable part-time or full-time four-wheel drive transfer case in it and a 5-speed manual transmission. And Max, who runs the YouTube channel Max Merc, he does all kinds of car videos, but he focuses on Mercedes, just like how I focus on Volvo when it comes to his own cars.
woke up, night out, days that I woke up, cool today. I woke up, night out.
Okay, I'm ready. This is getting some steady shots. And that track is amazing. Oh, it was holding. So this is where things began to get more interesting on the trail. This part wasn't really that bad. It was worse in person, but it was one of the tighter trails I've been on, or tighter pieces of a trail I've been on with the Volvo. We've been having a lot of rainstorms here, and all the water has pretty much washed all of these roads away.
Come the other way. Come this way. Turn more.
This way. Right.
Turn right.
Right.
Keep going.
Good. Left,
Okay.
straight out. Yeah.
Straight.
There you go.
There you go. All right. Let me go to the next one.
Yeah.
There's a hole here too. Ooh, there's a little more narrow.
Yeah.
Oh no, but he'll get.
No, you're good.
Yeah. Come. Good. Straight. Keep going. Keep going. You're good.
You're good.
Keep coming. You're good. Straight. You're good.
Perfect. The Jeep's gonna have no problem.
Oh yeah.
No problem.
I woke up, cool today. I woke up, night out, days that you copy? I woke up, cool today. I woke up, night out, days that I woke up, cool today. I woke up, night out, days that I woke up, cool today. I woke up, night out.
Yeah. All right, you're good. It's yeah.
This hill was actually much steeper than it appeared to be on camera. This is one of those perfect inclines that I would say demonstrates the importance of either a low-range gearbox or a good first gear crawl ratio. Luckily, with my V8, it crawled right up it, but I think most all-wheel drives would be fine up here.
No, you're getting good grip too, dude. You were only like a quarter of your. Oh shit! That was sick. Crawl right up it. That was a great angle. Yeah, it's doing great, dude. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Very nice.
As I was saying, now he's going back up it. I'm really impressed with how Haldex is working. Uh-oh, look at that, hang on. So this is what open diffs do. You need to take a different line. Go up towards the left. Yeah. So that's how open diffs are, and this is what you do to change your line. Because his driver's side front tire was here, his passenger rear was there, not enough articulation, so that's what you gotta do. And that's what you have to do with this thing, especially. With crossovers, overlanding, and off-roading, you really have to think about certain lines more, and you have to get out a little bit more. But for me, that kind of adds to the fun. But I really have to say, the all-wheel drive system is really good. I think Max got a lot of footage that is going to be really cool on video. So Tomas is about to go down the hill, but I just have to keep saying, this thing has blown me away. Because the last time, hang on. What did you say?
Do you think I can make it down?
Oh yeah, it just feels really sketchy. So I'll spot you.
Alright, sounds good.
So if you just come forward slowly, straight, little passenger. Yes, just down, and then now straight. Butt clincher, huh? And that's why a Wrangler is a Wrangler.
Impressive.
How did that feel?
Impressive.
Yeah.
Scary.
I know. On the highway, the XC90 is actually really good. This is where I'd say this thing really shines. I got about 20.5 miles per gallon on a round trip just on the highway, and then about 16 off-road because it's a lot of slow driving. And most of the highway driving that I was doing was about 80 to 90 miles an hour in the mountains too. And that's a wrap. It's been pouring, so I've been getting a free undercarriage wash, but I still usually after an off-roading trip come to the car wash to, really get all the gunk off of it. But this is the beauty of the XC. You can have your suit and tie during the week and, be formal going to work. And then also you can have your mud boots on with your country boy attire on the weekend. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sunday, so today is Friday, so Sunday I should be installing the lift kit on this thing. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm still waiting for my spacers. It seems like UPS is messing up my order, so I'm hoping they come soon because without the spacers I can't put the tires on, but I don't know. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, peace.